This is a room tour of a standard balcony stateroom on the Carnival Vista. This is the room made up as a king, and then this is a couch that is made up as a twin currently. We have the TV, then a little desk area, storage, and a hairdryer, a fridge. It is small, but you're able to comfortably put a 12-pack in there. Then you have shelves. And these are your outlets. You have two USB outlets and 2 regular outlets. Your phone. And then you have 3 closets. So this is the first closet. The first closet has shelves, a safe, and then 1, 2, 3 drawers. The next closet has hangers, then a shelf, and then more storage space. The third closet has long hanging space and then more storage space. And you come into the bathroom, shower, toilet, and then the vanity has storage space as well. And that is your standard balcony room on the Carnival Vista. And then this is the balcony. This room is 6'3", 5'3". 2 chairs. And a good view.